What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have another awesome recipe for you guys. We are going to be making some lemon garlic chicken. And when I say this is full of flavor, please believe me. And you know I'm about to show you how it's done. So we're not about to waste no time. Let's get started. All right, guys, so these are the ingredients we will be working with today. We have our lemon, we have our rosemary, our thyme, our parsley, salt and pepper, we have our unsalted butter, and of course, we have our chicken here as well. And if you don't have fresh parsley, rosemary, and thyme, it is okay to use the ones in a little spice bottle if that's all you have. But of course, fresh is always gonna be better. It's gonna bring out so much more flavor if you use fresh ingredients, so please do so if you can. So what I'm doing here, I'm just chopping all of these up just like so, as well as slicing the lemons. Okay, you want to get all that prep work out the way, and then we're gonna move on to incorporating all these ingredients into our butter. And if you haven't already, go ahead and give your boy a follow on Instagram. It's the same handle as my YouTube channel, Whip It Up with Jay. I love when you guys tag me in your posts when you make one of these recipes or whatnot. I absolutely love it and I want more of it. So go ahead and follow your boy, and when you make one of these recipes, don't forget to tag me so I can repost it on my page. Alright, so I have 2 sticks of unsalted butter at room temperature. And yes, you can use salted butter and not put the salt in as I did, of course. So salt, pepper, and I threw in all of the ingredients that we chopped up. And I'm gonna zest 1 lemon, toss all that in there just like so. And we are also gonna toss in about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, which is about what, 4 or 5 cloves of garlic minced up. Go ahead and get that all in this bowl, and you're gonna mix it up. This is what's gonna be the amazing flavor to this chicken right here, this butter right here. I'm letting you know, it is so good, guys. Of course, I started mixing it without adding the garlic first, but you'll see here I went ahead and added that garlic in. Again, like I said, stir it up, get everything well combined so we could get our chicken ready to go. So I have my kitchen shears, and I'm just gonna cut out the backbone from this chicken just like so. Go ahead and cut it out, remove it, and we're gonna kind of butterfly this chicken after we get this backbone out. Okay, so boom, we are ready to go. I'm just gonna take my knife and apply pressure right here in the middle. You should hear a nice satisfying crack, and this will allow your chicken to butterfly and lay flat, guys. So you want to also make sure your chicken is patted dry, and we're just going to sprinkle on some salt and pepper onto both sides of this chicken. Alright, so this part gets a little messy. You're gonna scoop some of that yummy butter and you're gonna spread it across both sides of your chicken, guys. It gets a little messy, like I said, but believe me, all this is gonna melt down. It looks a little funny, a little weird right now, but all that butter is gonna melt down while this is in the oven, and all the yummy seasoning is gonna stick to that chicken, and it's just gonna be goodness all over. You know what I mean? Please believe me, it is gonna be awesome. So here I'm just laying our lemons down on the bottom of this cast iron pan, and I already have my oven preheated to 425 degrees. We are gonna cook this uncovered for 1 hour, and like I said, this is gonna cook down and be oh so beautiful. It looked ugly before, but look at it now. Does that not look good? That's pressure right there. I'm trying to let you know. So good. All right, and don't forget to scoop that butter and all that goodness on the bottom of the pan right on top of your chicken, just like so. All right, so you know chicken thighs is my favorite, so we're gonna start off with this right here. Look at that beautiful skin. The crust we got on that skin right there looks amazing. Amazing. Look at this right here. Look at this right here. That is good. That's good right there. Come on in. We gotta get some of that breast too. We gotta try, you know, as much as the chicken as we can right here. Let's dig into this breast. That is so good. Wow. 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 And wow. Look at this right here. Gotta get some of that breast. Woo, steaming. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Yo. Yo, all the herbs we got in here are coming through. The rosemary, the thyme, you know, the parsley, all of that is coming through, as well as that lemon. Oh my goodness. I'm not trying to exaggerate. This is so freaking good. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Please excuse me. I normally, I don't turn my videos to a darn mukbang, but sheesh, this is it right here. That is good. I'm gonna give you some of that breast right there. Camera woman, my lovely wife, you're gonna give this a try too. And they can hear you. They're gonna let me know what you think. You off camera. I know she don't like being on camera and she ain't got her makeup and all that stuff done. So we're not about to put her on camera, but they can hear you. How does it taste?
So good.
Look at me, how does it taste? Wow. It looks good? It tastes good, I'm sorry, it tastes delicious, right? All right, so I'm not over exaggerating. Wow, wow, and wow.
Give me some more thigh.
You want some more thigh? I got you, boo.
Oh, so juicy.
It's juicy, right? You gotta speak up so they can hear you. What'd you say?
It's juicy.
It's what?
It's juicy.
Okay, now. Okay, now. All right, I appreciate every single one of you guys for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. I hope you all try it out and serve your family with this one because it's another hit in the kitchen. Again, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, leave a like for your boy, and as well, drop a comment down below and let me know what you think. So I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Deuces.